Hi, I'm Rob Molhoek. Over the Australia Day weekend, many parts of Queensland were severely impacted by ex-tropical cyclone Oswald. But one of the worst hit areas was North Bundaberg. My son and I decided that rather than sit at home wondering what we could do to help, we'd get in the car, we'd take a tent, we'd packed our sleeping bags, and we decided to join the Mud Army for a few days. What I saw there is very difficult to put into words. It was devastating to see many homes just completely disappeared and washed off their stumps. There were other homes that are almost buried by the sand and the debris that came down the river, and of course thousands of homes completely inundated, many above the door frames and above the windows. And so for 3 days my son and I worked with many families, shoveling out the mud from their homes, emptying their cupboards, and very sadly just filling wheelbarrow after wheelbarrow of their lifelong possessions and dumping them out in the street to be taken away because nearly everything in their homes had been contaminated and was unable to be retrieved. So today I'm asking you to get behind the Premier's appeal and support the fundraising efforts through the Red Cross. Can I just say simply this, that every dollar helps. When these tragedies come, sometimes it can be quite overwhelming. I know for us as a family we can't help but feel a sense of futility, but I always say to my wife and my kids, even if we just help one family, it makes a huge difference to them. And so this is your opportunity to just help one family. So would you please consider making a donation and support the efforts of the Premier's Red Cross Flood Appeal.